Hello, a room for my body.
A room for your body?
Yes, I want to sleep here. I have a reservation.
Great! What name is the reservation under?
Emma Brown.
Let me check your reservation.
Sure.
Yes, I found it. You booked a suite room.
Suite?
No, a suite.
Oh, I don't want sugar. I want to sleep.
May I see your passport, please?
Of course.
Thank you. You're ready to check in.
What does check-in mean?
It means you officially arrive and get your room.
Oh, now I understand.
Your room is 405.
Room 405. Got it.
Here's your key card.
What amenities does the hotel have?
We have a gym, swimming pool, Wi-Fi, and breakfast.
Wow, Is Wi-Fi included?
Yes, it's free for hotel guests.
Perfect. That's my favorite amenity. What time is breakfast?
From 7 to 10 a.m.
Great, I won't sleep too late. Where is the swimming pool?
Swimming pool on the 3rd floor.
It's on the 3rd floor.
A swim pool?
Yes, don't worry. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 a.m.
So I have to leave by 11?
Exactly.
So check-in means I leave?
No, check-in means you arrive.
And checkout means I leave?
Exactly.
Reservation means my booking.
Correct.
Suite means a large hotel room.
Correct.
Amenities are hotel facilities.
Perfect.
Check-in means arrive and checkout means leave.
You've got it.
And suite means sugar, not my room.
Exactly. Enjoy your suite.